name is Bipin Parasar, and today I would like to talk about very interesting topic, success. So I hope by the end of my presentation you will have a better understanding about the success. So I will not take much time because we have already known about that what is success. So I will take less time. So first I will start my presentation with some quote. Success is not being the best. It is about being the better than you were yesterday. That means success is equal to the improvement. If you are improved your personality than a previous day, so it is a success of a person, not to become at a reach a destiny. To betterment, in my opinion, betterment is a success. So there are many definitions of success. But the most common definition of success is a journey, not a destiny. So इसलिए सब कहते हैं कि मंजिल से ज़्यादा खूबसूरत सफ़र होता है. So that's why its definition shows that it is a journey. And if we talk about where does success begin or start, so it starts from the desire. If you have desire to do something, so the success starts. So if we compare the success in any parameter, so there is no measurement of success. It can be earn money for some people, it can be to achieve our dream, it can also be to become a superstar in a cricket or in a celebrity. So different people have different opinion about success. So we can't say that success has a measurement. And also I want to say that why success is not destiny. Because if you reach at the top of the any level, then your satisfaction became less. जब आप किसी भी ओहदे पर ऊपर पहुंच जाते हो तो आपकी इच्छाएं मर जाती हैं. So that's why the success is not about the destiny, it is about the journey. So now the question arises why some people are succeed in their life and some not. So in my opinion, success starts from desires of a person. यदि किसी चीज की शुरुआत नहीं करोगे तो अंत कैसे होगा. So by this mean you need first to start something. So if you start something, so you need 4 pillars. Like if you want to make a house, you need a pillar, base of the house. So इसी प्रकार success also have a 4 pillar. First is the desire. I already mentioned about the desire, so I will not take much time. And you are facing a become very dull. You are facing. So second one is the dedication and determination. I will combine these two in a one: dedication and determination. If you have a zeal, if you have a restless, if you have a jit kind of thing, you can achieve something in your life. So here I want to mention some शायरी on the dedication and determination. That इरादों से मजबूत होकर रास्ते बनाए जाते हैं और हौसलों के आगे तूफान थम जाते हैं. जो चाहते हैं अपनी मंजिल को पाने के लिए, उनके लिए पत्थर भी फूल बन जाते हैं. So if you want to become a successful, so you need to a kind of determination in yourself with any of circumstance you feel in your life. And the fourth one is the discipline. So what kind of discipline you need to require to become a successful? So in my personal opinion, the self discipline is very important, because हम ही हैं जो अपने आप को ऊपर ले जा सकते हैं. No other than one can do something for us. हमको अपने लिए ही करना पड़ेगा. That's why self discipline is very important. And now I want to mention about something more about discipline. There is basic minor difference between motivation and discipline. Disciplines can ignite you but can't sustain you in your future. what the discipline. Discipline makes you a consistent in your life. So discipline is most important, the motivation. And now I want to mention about the other component of the success. Although success is a mixture of many things, but I want to mention some 4-5 because of the time constraint. First is the patience, because patience is very important for the success. I want to mention one example of Edison, who invented a bulb. He failed 10,000 times. He mentioned that I have never failed. I got new learning. So हम फेलियर से भी सीखते हैं, न कि फेल होते हैं. So excessive patience is also not good for our future and for our goal. Everything should be in a limit. So that's why patience is also important, but in a limited manner. And the second one topic is point is the time management, because time is very precious for our future and for becoming a successful, because time is, we cannot buy from the money time. So ordinary people spend things spending the time. मतलब जो सामान्य लोग होते हैं वो ये सोचते हैं कि कैसे भी टाइम कट जाए, लेकिन जो बुद्धिमान व्यक्ति होते हैं वो टाइम का उपयोग करते हैं. सो दैट्स अ मेजर डिफरेंस. हमको टाइम का उपयोग करना है, न कि उसे खर्च करना है. सो यूजिंग ऑफ टाइम इन अ वेरी प्रोडक्ट मैनर इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. एंड द थर्ड वन इज द हार्ड वर्क. Hard work is a very famous quote is hard work is the success of hard work is the key of success. So it is correct. What I want to mention some more in that, what kind of hard work you need. I think mental hard work you need, because physical hard work can be done by anybody. It is a common, but the mental faculty is very important for the success. So you need to become a mentally strong first, then become a physical. So that's why mental is upper than the physical. And the fifth one is the focus on your presence, because yesterday is the history and tomorrow is a mystery. You cannot change your history and you cannot predict your future. So today is the only day you can live. So focus on your today and make it better for your life. So now I want to mention our last point is patience. Sorry, fifth one is the sacrifice. So I want to mention about sacrifice. Sacrifice is not something to get rid of all the things. In my opinion, sacrifice is that to focus on your goal. If you have distracted by anything in your path of the success, you need to leave it. According to me, it is a success. Already I have spent 15 minutes. So now I want to at the end of the conclusion, what is the trait of the successful person? First is the tension, anger, and the monotonous and the fear. Already people have mentioned. But my in opinion, attitude is the more important than other thing. Because attitude makes your personality. If you have a attitude in yourself, that's make you different from the other people. So in the end, I want to give one suggestion as your brother. First, you fix a goal in your life according to your, not the pressure by your friends and family, according to your interest and hobby. So you need to fix your future goal by your hobbies and interests. Why it is important to fix a goal by your hobbies and interests? Because it keeps you going in a long way, not in a short term. So that's why it is very important. And in the last, I want to mention one line. सक्सेस की भी अपनी एक अदा होती है सक्सेस की भी एक अपनी अदा होती है, वो भी मेहनत करने वालों पर फिदा होती है। So in the end, thank you very much for listening me and the cooperation, and I hope you will become successful in your life, and thank you. Best of luck for your future.